If you're experiencing repeated payment declines on DoorDash, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check payment information. Ensure that your payment details are correct. Verify that your credit or debit card number, expiration date, and CVV code are entered accurately in your DoorDash account. Step 2. Confirm card validity. Make sure that your card is valid and has not expired. Contact your bank or card issuer to confirm that your card is active and can be used for online transactions. Step 3. Review account balance. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Clear app cache. If you're using the DoorDash app, try clearing the app cache. This can help resolve any temporary glitches that may be affecting payment processing. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the issue persists, reach out to DoorDash customer support for assistance. They can provide specific insights into why your payments are being declined and help you resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to address the payment decline issue on DoorDash effectively. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further support.